Good morning. Welcome back. Happy July 31st. It's that day. Time to figure out where July's little Catherine card is going to be winging her way off to. You'll see she's all decked out in flags and stamps and a map of Canada. And I even put a little red dot there where I live. So in case you were wondering, you'll know, oh yeah, that's where she lives. So because we celebrate Canada Day on July 1st every year. So now I have to do the random comment picker. So you've had a month on this video. You've had a month to be over 18, subscribe, and comment on this video. So hopefully you have. Now I'm going to switch hands and hopefully I can hold this and do all this one-handed. So I have to go up here and copy the URL. Copy. Then I have to go over to the random comment picker. Randomly find someone who posted a comment. That's what we want. So we want the URL in here. Let me see. Paste. There it is. Pick random comment. How are we doing? I'm sorry if this is shaking. I'm holding it with my left hand. Nancy Lee! Thank you for the Canadian history lesson. I have wanted to know more about it, as I have many friends from there. Love the card and your work. Well, congratulations, Nancy Lee. It looks like you're not from Canada. So little Catherine will be winging her way to you. Please contact me as soon as you can. Freeze frame here so you can get a hold of this. Email me at cabrownartist@gmail.com with your details. And I can get little Catherine in the mail to you as soon as possible. Although this is a holiday weekend for us up here, so our post offices aren't open until Tuesday. So that would certainly be the soonest I get it done. So hopefully I'll hear from you. And if not, I will give a little bit of a reminder. And then if I have to, I will repick probably in 5 days. I'll give you 5 days, Nancy, but hopefully I hear from you really soon. That would be great. And little Catherine can make her way over to wherever you are in the world. That would be wonderful. So congratulations, Nancy. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thank you to everyone who participated. And tomorrow, which will be the 1st of August, we'll get together and we'll make an August little Catherine card so that she can go somewhere else. So take care. Have a great rest of your day. Here, let's put her back here so we can see. There we go. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. And we'll talk soon. We'll talk tomorrow. Yay. Bye.